Hello and welcome everyone. So, this is not a video that I was expecting to make, but there are going to be a couple of things in the near future that I will be releasing. Maybe by next week I'll have a video on the black car, but I'm also going to do a 2018 wrap-up video about everything that I've done this year, like bought a new truck, did a whole bunch of stuff, yeah. But today, I'm going to be going over this real quick. So, I had found, if you'd seen my last video with this, I was searching through it to find some information or a key or anything like that. And I found a little paper in it. It was the one where I had blurred the screen entirely. And this paper, I got onto Facebook, tracked the person down, found their profile, and I'm like, wow, really? Well, I went on there and looked, and it showed that they were married, and I'm like, okay, and this was, hadn't been anything on this profile for a while, so I'm like, I'll try and contact their wife. Well, it said that their wife was widowed. So immediately it struck me, okay, probably not going to get things figured out. But I took a risk and I messaged them and asked, hey, there's this car. I would like to know about it. And it turns out that the person that owned it is still around. And I actually got in contact with him, talked to him about it, and essentially what this car was is it was his beater, and he ran it for a while, and then some things happened. His brother took it and someone ran into it on the other side, and he parked it, and that was essentially it. And good news though, I have found the previous owner, talked to him for a little bit, and I will be, figuring some things out between him and this, and everything's going to probably be good. Everything should be good. Otherwise, there's another pretty substantial piece that I want to explain, and I'd like to go over, and it actually isn't with this car. I will be doing wiring on this. My brother is going to help me, so that'd be fun to have him with me on this, on the channel, helping. It's not going to be easy, and it isn't a guarantee that it will run. However, it should. It really should. And if it doesn't, I'm going to be disappointed. Anyways, lastly, there's something big about the Silverado that I really need to explain. Alright, so the other day, I took this out, drove it around, had some fun. Actually, I didn't really have any fun. I was moving stuff. And, I don't really, even though this will be... Hold on. So, this is where I'm at right now. I have the valve cover off, and right here, this one seems lashed pretty good. That one's holding a valve open. Seems alright. That one, a little bit to it. That one's holding a valve open. That one moves a little bit. So, really, those all seem fine. So, yeah. And lo and behold, when I took the valve cover gasket off, it fell into pieces. Oh, I can check what heads these are. So, let me do that, and I will get back to it in just a moment. So, I want to apologize for ending the video off on such a sour note. However, that valve cover gasket, it pretty much disintegrated I won't be able to move the truck really until I get a new one. I haven't started on this side because there's an AC compressor in the way, and I'm a little bit concerned. I don't want to start on this when it starts to get, when the weather starts to get really bad or anything, if it does, because the valve cover is also kind of close to the brake booster, and there's quite a few wires and stuff, which, it just makes it more time consuming. So, sorry about that. This truck there will be a update on it soon, depending on, what happens over there. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. There will be an update on this soon, and it's going to be a big one. And of course, the Datsun that's in the garage, because, that wiring video, it's going to be a fun one, and it's going to be epic. So please do drop a thumbs up on the video. A thumbs up would be like, 1 like equals 1 hope that it's not in the bottom end. And do subscribe if you want to see more Datsun and truck content, and turn on the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you will be notified anytime I release a new video, so you can be one of the first ones to watch it. Thank you so much. Sorry about this and everything. Have a great day.